What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today I'm actually going over the Q50. I've had it for a year now, as of the 24th of January. So I just kind of want to go over my journey so far, as well as where the car stands, even though I know I just did a video like a video or two ago. But gonna kind of go over it for the people who hasn't been around, who hasn't seen the other videos as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, here it is. This is my 2021 Infiniti Q50. It is the pure model. Yeah, it's pretty much base. Doesn't have many bells and whistles, but I got it wrapped. The color is called Liquid Rose Purple Metallic. Got it from Pro Wrap Vinyl. And the homies over in Motion Wrap did the install. They did a pretty good job. But I have the Impulse full carbon front bumper. I have the TS style hood, full carbon as well. And I have the carbon fenders. I forgot which version they are. I think they might be version 3. Actually, I don't know. I just know they're not version 1. But it looked exactly like the version 1s. And I got those from South Bay Auto Works. I got this version 2 of the LED carbon fiber emblem from South Bay as well. And sequential mirror lights as well from South Bay. The black overlay I got from eBay. For the, well, not overlay, the black grill. It's a complete black grill, not an overlay. Got that from eBay. I'm on Vertini RFS 1.5s, 20 by 10, positive 35 all the way around. They were actually spec'd out for my Ultima when I had it. I have the carbon fiber spoiler. It's the M style. And I am on Airlift 3P. Well, that's the management I have. Just did that with my remote. I mean my phone. I got a eBay carbon fiber rear spoiler, and the rear brake light cap cover came off. Haven't replaced that yet. And please excuse the car. Every time it rains or gets wet and anything happens, it looks terrible like this. I guess it was easier to hide with the white, but yeah, this is definitely a pain. I need to get this coated and something done here pretty soon. But this was just after it rained. I have the NVIDIA exhaust full setup there. Had the roof wrapped black before the rest of the car was wrapped. And I got the mirror cap covers. That's from eBay as well. Still got a few things I'm planning on. Definitely got to upgrade the brakes. Well, Technically I don't have to because I haven't done any performance stuff yet, but I will be doing the brakes here pretty soon. I need to see if the upgraded brakes will fit with this wheel setup. If they don't, then I'll be upgrading the wheels first and then I'll do the brakes. But that's what's coming up next. I'll be working on the performance stuff in this upcoming year. I'm not 100% sure, but I definitely need to get a heat exchanger. Should have been had that, but I want to definitely get tuned as well. I do have AMS lower downpipes already installed, no issues, but like I said, I'm not tuned, so that's not great. But so far, the car has definitely treated me well. I got it last year, and it was 18,000 miles, a little over 18,000 miles on it. Actually, no, I think it was closer to 19,000 miles. But now I'm at 27,000 miles, a little over 27,000 miles. So haven't drove it a crazy amount. I do work from home, so I don't really drive it too much. It's just kind of the weekend car for the most part. Even though it's really my daily. My wife has another car that I can drive if I need to. But yeah, this is really, if I'm going out, I usually will drive this unless I have to pick something up, because the trunk is not great. Oh, also I got this rear cover here, Skyline cover. And what I mean by not great is not as much space. My Altima really spoiled me. Oh, I will be doing an audio setup, but I'm trying to find a way to where I can have like a show type of trunk. So trying to figure out space and everything. But the tank is definitely going to be moving, and it's going to be wrapped. Probably going to be my accent color, which I'm thinking it's probably going to be blue. But we'll see. Let me know what you guys think the accent color should be. But yeah, this is how we're sitting. It's been a year, crazy year. Felt like it went super quick. Had the issue with the bumper after I hit the dresser on the freeway, and that forced me to upgrade. Had the older sports bumper for a little bit. Had some fitment issues, but it was pretty cheap off of Facebook Marketplace, so I was rocking that for a little bit. But I will say, with the damage on that, it definitely killed my motivation for doing anything with the car, so I kind of was chilling. But now, as you can see, we're back in full effect. But I definitely need to clean the car. It's definitely looking a little ashy here. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think about the color, about the mods, about how I have it wrapped. Because I know a lot of people saying, oh, we got the full carbon, why don't you just leave it exposed so everybody can see that it's full carbon. But I kind of like this. A few others also said that I should have left a little more exposed on the front bumper. Let me know what you guys think below. I can see it. I can see where it could have been more exposed as well. But I don't know, I'm pretty happy with what I got here. Definitely have a few homies in the squad, the lineup, who's going to be getting wrapped as well. So you'll be seeing them here pretty soon. One is actually almost done. So I don't want to say who it is just yet, but you'll be seeing it in a couple videos here pretty soon. And we're going to be doing a photo shoot with the cars. I will say, actually no, I'm not even going to give any hints, but definitely stay tuned for that. Had a few people tell me I should keep the wheels, maybe change the color on them, but I've had these wheels for like 3 years, maybe a little longer, and I definitely love them. They definitely look great, don't get me wrong, but I kind of want to get, I'm interested in getting better fitment. I don't know if I want to do full fender to lip with the carbon fenders up front, but we'll see. I definitely want some better fitment in the front. The rear, I could definitely deal with that, but not the front. But also, thank you to everybody who's been showing a lot of love for the car and the whole aspect of my mom, how she contributed to the color and everything. So I definitely appreciate all that, all the love and support that you guys showed. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and do the comment of the day, and the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. Who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.